Hi Grace Quilting friends, it's Sarah with Designs by Sarah J. So I'm interrupting our normal quilting tutorials this month because I want to tell you about a special project that I'm working on. You know, like so many of you, I've been sheltering in place at home to deal with the COVID-19 pandemic, and I've spent a lot of time making masks for family and friends. And as I've worked on those, my mind started thinking about what's next? What are we going to do when we are finally done making masks? And I've watched like you on the news as we've seen so many heroes emerge during this. The healthcare workers who are putting their life on the line for us, teachers who found a way to teach our kids at home as online schooling has emerged, the store workers, the folks that are making sure we can get food and all the supplies we need. So lots of heroes are out there, and I wanted to find a way to thank them. So I created something, the Heroic Hearts Tote, and this is a project that I'm partnering with Marcus Fabrics to bring to you as a free pattern. Now this is a super easy tote. It starts out with a heart block, and then you create this front of the tote, and super easy straps, just a simple pattern. And I'm going to give you a little confession here. I have not been a big tote maker in my career. I focused on quilting. But this is a project that even a beginner can do. If you have a Grace quilting frame, you could definitely add some quilting accents to this project. So it's something where you can bring your skills to life in creating something to honor heroes. I wanted to give something that you could also put some gifts in. So say that you want to give this to your favorite healthcare worker and stuff it with some essentials, maybe some snacks, maybe cleaning products, all of the things that those folks that are out there working for us need. This would be perfect to carry. So you can get the pattern as a free download on my website. There'll be a slide as part of this video giving you the details. If you check around with your favorite local shops around the country will be working to provide kits for this. It's the Heroic Hearts Tote pattern. I'd love to see what you make with this pattern. You can use the hashtag Heroic Hearts Tote, and I'll be able to see what you do. I hope you'll join me in celebrating heroes around the country. This is something that would be a great guild project that you could work on virtually. I'd love to see us just rally and honor all the heroes that are out there right now. So join me in making a Heroic Hearts Tote project, and I look forward to being back with you next month. Thank you.